heard they become pink because the shrimp they eat is pink. Maybe this one didn't eat the shrimp. I mean the pink shrimp.
It's still it's like fluffier than the other one. What's that bird doing?
It's coming to all the birds like to come to my camera.
All the other birds will like vibrate their heads in the water to like eat the food. This one's just vibrating its what is it doing?
This one must be sick.